Good morning and welcome back to my garden. I get the question a lot, how or why did you get into gardening? So it's kind of a complicated answer. I'm Kimberly, by the way, and this is Treehouse Garden. I hope you like and follow for garden to table recipes as well as gardening tips. So talking about recipes, the first reason that I really got into growing my own food is because I love to cook. I've been a home passionate cook for many years, and I would find recipes that I want to try, and finding some of those ingredients were really difficult, or the produce wasn't very good, or it was really expensive. So I decided I'm going to learn how to garden and I'm going to create my own backyard pantry. And that is what I have done. And it's so rewarding and so fulfilling to be sustainable and grow your own food. I grow my entire garden from seed. So although the initial setup was kind of expensive, I'm literally spending a couple $100s to grow the most amazing food every year, and it's so rewarding, like I said. The second reason is, I don't know if you know this, but I am a French and English teacher. I should say was a French and English high school teacher. I was working a job, I'd been there a really long time, and I kind of had done every single possible job at that high school, and I didn't have the desire to go to work anymore. My creativity was kind of going flat. And if there's one thing about me, is I'm a lifelong learner. I love to learn new things. I like to challenge myself, and I wasn't feeling that anymore. So I decided to go back to school. I went and got my master's degree in English. I got a new job teaching at the junior college, teaching English, no longer teaching French, but still speaking it. Vous parlez français? And that was one reason that I got into making a change in my life, a drastic change. And the second reason is there was a lot of strife going on in my family. There was a lot of bickering and fighting, and it was causing me a lot of grief, so much so that I turned to gardening, to be outside, to get my hands in the dirt, to listen to the birds, to be out with my chickens and my dogs and my cats. And every minute I wasn't doing my job, I was either in the garden or creating garden dishes. So that's the long answer to the quick question of how and why I got into gardening. I really hope I've inspired you to maybe start a garden, whether it's just a little plot in your backyard, a pot on your patio, a little raised bed. If you have the passion to grow your own food, then this is the time to start right now. So I hope I've inspired you to, oh, hello, we've got a visitor, to garden, to learn to be a home chef or cook with your garden goodies. And don't forget that every day is possible to change your life. Thanks for liking again and following, and don't forget to seed the day.